the tools, there's like record, and then you can record to this computer or to the cloud.
That's
Do you
okay
see this
because
option?
whatever I'm streaming is gonna get saved on YouTube, so you can just look at it later.
Oh, you're streaming. Call us then. No, I'm done. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I've logged in
If
as
I was
trader
a
one.
developer,
You're logging in as trader two. Uh, Let me just take a look at all these cool things. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Things are happening. Yay. Some happening. It's trading. Okay. Um,
Invalid login credentials for trading 2. I need a different account. Trading, for example.
it worked for me. Just careful when you copy paste, don't copy the space, I guess. You know,
You are correct. Okay.
because I almost did the same thing.
So this
This
main
is coming
page
soon.
looks like it has market activity is like a live update of shit that people are posting. By the way, he showed me an example of the site without it. It looks a lot emptier.
Oh,
I
this
don't know
thing? Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
the importance of it yet, but it's nice to keep it feeling like something live is happening.
So what? Like, I'm only seeing 6 entries right now in market activity. Is the idea that when a price
Oh,
deviates greatly from an average, it
I,
pops up there and you go,
I
it's
think
changing by
market
some
activity
percentage?
is directly related if somebody buys a card or trades cards.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Interesting. Hmm.
So then you see the wanted. Wanted
Yeah.
is the section. So from your account, you can add cards that you're looking for, and then they're gonna appear here. So
Ah,
when you, as somebody who's like willing to trade, come, you go like, oh, so these are the
right.
wanted cards. Let's see if I have them, kind of thing.
I see.
Available
So
cards are the yeah.
is the idea like I can click on a person's account, like trader, active trader two, and then I go, oh, this person wants XYZ. Let me see if I can give it to them. Is that how that works, or do you know?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
So
Okay.
you would
That's cool.
wanna do your wish list, and then you can check the available cards downstairs that people have, or you can look for the cards on
Right.
the
Yeah,
search
of course.
bar.
Right, of
And
course.
there
That's
is a trading option that's supposed to be implemented here. But we can run a scenario and be like, hey, I want to post a card, or hey, I want to trade a card, or I want to buy a card. So
all
I,
right.
I guess
Let's
that's
try
like
that.
a way to approach it and see
All
what
right.
is
So
the
let's say
shortcoming.
hypothetically, I am trader one. I want to buy a card. What do I want to buy? I want to buy a Luke Skywalker legendary from set one, even though it's going out of rotation, because
Hmm.
that's how I roll. So there is two. Why are there two? Oh, is that an actual thing? Okay. I'm gonna pick this one. Wow. Oh my God, legendary. Oh my God, this is so expensive. My God, look at these numbers. By the way, are these numbers just dummy numbers or are they actually grabbed from somewhere? Do you know?
I am not sure. I did ask him to link it to TCG Player. I don't know
Okay.
if that's the case yet.
Mm, I see. All right, cool. So, what can I do here? So I'm on this card. Uh, Add to collection, make offer, propose trade. Can I? Ah, so this is to say, like, I actually have this thing.
Yes.
Is there a way to mark this as like I want it?
Yeah, that
You know?
heart, I believe that heart makes it I want it.
Okay, that doesn't seem intuitive, but sure. Because
Yes.
yeah, I would want it to be a add to wish list or something like that. Because to me, this looks like a favorite button, right? Maybe you have a favorite card. Maybe you're expecting a card to be a hot commodity that's going to be traded. Maybe you want to scalp. I don't know. I'm just, that's the idea. Sure. So I push the button.
Mm-hmm.
Now if I go back to the main menu, do I see it in my wanted? Mashallah, there it is. Okay.
Okay. So
So, how
then
about you play the
if
role of
I
the
refresh and it's refreshing, I now see there is a Luke Skywalker that needs to be. Oh, can I share my screen to you as well? No.
No, it's one at a time.
Okay, so
But
I'm gonna.
you just narrate. You're seeing the wanted thing as well. Okay.
I'm clicking Luke
Wait.
Skywalker. I see the same page, and then I have
Do you
options
see the
to.
same fallen lightsaber on the doorstep in Force Loyalty? Sorry to cut in, but do you see all of them the same
Yes,
floor?
that in
Interesting.
exactly
Okay.
the same order.
Uh,
Now,
okay.
make an offer. I What does make an offer do? You don't have Luke Skywalker in your collection. Would you like to edit before making an offer? Okay, let's say I have
That's a
it.
very nice little
Uh,
error check. I love it. Okay.
Add
Yeah.
to collection. How many I have? I'm gonna say I have
Let's say you
one.
have three. Let's say
I
you have three,
Okay,
if you don't mind.
interesting. Make a cash offer.
I want to see
This
if you trade away one, does the
no
system go,
say.
you had three, you traded one, now you have two.
Okay, I'm gonna add two more to my collection. Now there is an error when I say make an offer. An error message
Mhm.
comes up. Make a cash
What
offer
does it
for
say?
Luke Skywalker Jedi Knight. The seller can accept or reject the offer. No sale listings available for this card.
Huh? No sales listing.
So
Could
I
hang
think he
on.
needs to fix this because if you're going directly to the make an offer thing, it should assume that you're making a listing now. It seems like extra steps for me to go to my account and
Hang on.
post it as a listing. I'm
Are
gonna
you
try
streaming
the
right now, by the way?
yes.
Okay, give me a sec. I want to look at your view and try to understand what you're looking at. Let me get that. Okay. So what did you do?
I'm
You
going
pressed
to
make an
look. I make an offer
okay.
and I get this message.
Going to Luke. Just catching up to you.
Hmm.
Add to collection. Okay. I did that. Sorry, it's a bit of delay.
Or I can just screenshot you.
Oh yeah, could you do that? I think there's a significant delay here.
Meow, 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 meow. So it seems like it's making me, what you call it? It's forcing me to do an extra manual step.
Wait, it just says to add to your collection. Didn't you already indicate you have three, or did I miss something?
I did. So now it thinks it's in my inventory, but it's not posted as I'm willing to sell it.
Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, make a note. Maybe if it's in your collection, then it should be like, hey, this is inventory available. You should be able to offer it. Okay, so what happens
I'm
if you
gonna
press
try.
add to collection? What,
Add to collection just adds more cards to my collection.
and you already have three. Okay. If you press skip, does anything happen?
I would like to make a proposed trade.
My body is ready. I'm
It's
just gonna
loading.
check my
Select a
trades.
listing to propose a trade with seller.
A listing. Oh, there's a my listings page. Okay.
Well, this one is straight up just not loading.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to manually add this as something that I'm willing to trade. So I
Okay.
go to my account, collection,
Mm-hmm.
Luke Skywalker, list for sale, price. Oh, it auto-filled the price. Cool. Quantity 2. Create a
Okay.
listing.
All right.
Okay. Oh, you
So
know
you've
what would
just
be
added the
cool?
listing, but
If in my collection I'm looking at the cards, I would click on look, for example, and then it would show me all the people that are wanting it.
yeah. So when you click on and you get that page with all the details, and it says market data. Uh, Now hang on, Asker. Did you just post? I see for sale. I see. If you look at my screen, I see this, and then I do see a for trade underneath. So I think the for sale kind of
Oh,
covers that.
okay. So I understood why the make an offer wasn't working for me because when I clicked on it, make an offer is for the buyer, not for the seller.
Ah, I see. Okay,
Uh,
so I see for sale. Is that yours, by the way? I'm assuming this is the one you.
I just posted it for listing. Yeah, yeah. That's
Okay.
that's mine.
Card master? Okay, whatever. I guess it's you. Sir, so I could be like, hey, this looks kind of cool. I want this card. I will press. I see two buttons. I press send offer. Okay, well, first, that's obviously a bit clipped. Okay. Yeah. Tell your brother he needs to work on the he needs to work on the what's it
Layout.
called? The layout, yeah, the UI. Because this like if I scroll out. Yeah. Anyway, all right. So, card being requested, mashallah. Search your collection. Your offer. My offer. What? Oh, and then send a message. Wait. Am I like literally like trading cards? So I'm adding cards. Card already in offer. So first things first, if this is like trading, like I give you a card, you give me a card, obviously it might not be an equal number of cards, right? Maybe I have to give you two legendaries to equal your legendary because of the price difference. So that's one thing.
So in the trade window that we should have, there should be a balance between us to kind of indicate if
Which
somebody's.
which I can kind of see because I see the value of the card being requested is 1866.
Yeah.
18.66, and the Count Dooku I offered is now 0.35. So yeah, it would be nice to have a little infographic of like I don't know, like a sliding scale, like blue, what is it, red and green, and if it's balanced, it's in the middle. Obviously you can propose an unfair trade that should be allowed, but yeah. Okay,
So
so let me
this is the first step. I think it takes us to a trading window after this.
Yeah. So let's say I pitch this extremely unfair deal because I can't scroll down.
Okay.
I press submit offer.
Because
Submitting.
you cannot scroll down. Got it.
Invalid input. Expected string received null. Oh, do you want me to type in a message? I can do that. Yo.
Oh, okay. So that error message should actually say you have to type a message because I didn't get that, and you just understood
And the
it.
thing is, because of this, I mean, yeah.
Wait. Stay
It's
on that
it's
page. I
it's
want to
kind of
put this on the screen
high. There we
because
go.
of
Let's try.
all of this. Okay, I just put zoom into the stream just to show my brother that
And
that's what you were looking at.
an unexpected error occurred. Yeah, something's up.
Okay, try
Something
not to
is
offer
up.
any cards.
Okay. Sorry, I'll just take this out. Okay, I'll take all of this out. It's grayed out, so I can't even push the button. I must put at least one card in before I can even push the button. Interesting. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I guess. Let me just make sure it's not like you put exclamation marks. The system can't handle exclamation marks sometimes. No. Okay. Something is there's something up with this submit offer button. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try the other thing. Let's press propose trade. If I push this button, what happens instead? Trade created successfully.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm on this screen now. Oh, can I send you a message? Hi.
I would like to have received a notification.
I would like to buy your Luke Skywalker. Good Sir Jedi Knight.
Aha! New trade proposal.
Yeah,
You have received a new trade proposal. View.
right. Did you see my
I'm
messages on the left
coming.
side? And oh, this is nice. I can see this is already uh, a good escrow, confirmed trade, report issue. Yeah.
Um. Okay, so left one is the chat bubble. The right one is browse cards. So I told him I would like to see here a list of your wish lists so that I can see that, and you can see my wish list, and we can keep. It's kind of like I imagined it as if like when you're physically trading, you're giving your trade binder, and I'm taking your trade binder, and we're looking through. So
It's
that
like,
would
I see you have this, right? And it would be
yes.
nice when you look at the wanted cards from my end, maybe like for example, let's say it's this list over here, right? So I want a swarming vulture droid, a Count Dooku, a fallen lightsaber. So below that, so obviously here's the listing, here's the price, here's all the data. Below that, it might be like, how many copies do you have, right? Do you have one? Do you have five? Do you have 10? Do you have more than three, so you're happy to give the excess away? If that makes sense, that would be kind of cool. Um, okay, so how do we go from here? I guess I can offer cards. I can click. I'll give you my Count Dooku. I'll give you my Newt Gunray. Oh my God, now it's imbalanced. Ah, all right. And I like it says trade is more than 30%. That seems arbitrary, but sure, whatever. Uh,
I
pick a
mean,
number.
is it arbitrary? Is the exact values right?
No, no. This message here, trade is more than 30%. Like, why
Yeah.
30%? Why not 20? Why not 50? Right? Anyway, okay. So let's say I want to give you these two cards, and
And
is
now
there a
we're
way for you to put more
clearly.
cards? Yeah, because it's like I've given you too much. Can you give me something? Right? Do you have anything you can click on your end to?
So I
Oh, hang on.
have my collection,
Yeah.
and in my collection, I have limited amount of cards. So
I see you have R2D2 and Quinlan. Can you click on them to add them to the thing? Because I can do it too.
what? Where do you see R2D2 and Quinlan? I don't
Okay,
see
hang on,
them.
hang on. When you look at the Zoom page, are you looking on your end? Are you looking at a web page that looks like my web page?
No, my cards are different. So the cards
Of
that you
course, yeah.
see is your my
My
collection,
own
and
collection.
I have my own my collection. So
So when I look at
now,
your collection, I see you have a Quinlan Voss and an R2D2. Is that correct?
no. Card masters available.
Oh,
I don't even know what the tab is.
okay. Hang on, hang on. When you go look at the right side of the screen, you see browse cards, right?
The
Browse
right
cards?
side, browse cards. Yes, yes, I'm looking there.
Yes. Okay. So you see it. Below browse cards, you see two tabs, my collection and other person's names collection, I assume, right? Do you see that?
I guess it is other player's name. That makes
Of
me the
course.
card master and you're the Star Wars trader. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, it's from my perspective, right? So when you look at your collection, right? My collection, your collection. You should be seeing. What are the cards you see? Tell me. Just read them out, please.
Okay, so under my collection,
Yes.
where it says your collection, I see
Okay. Yes.
So Guerrera.
Okay.
Fuck man, I cannot read the
And
name of
Rune
this. Is
Hako, right? Yeah. Got it.
Chrysanthemum Prisoner. I don't have Rune. Who the fuck is Rune?
What? Okay.
Maybe I have him if I scroll. It just doesn't let me scroll.
Yeah. That's weird.
I
Maybe I can
have
scroll for your.
Queensland leader take captive, sanctioneer shadow, prisoner of war.
Oh, I see. I see the problem. Okay. Yeah. So, can you click on one of these cards to add them to the trade?
Mm-hmm. I'm
Did
adding.
you do it?
Yeah, now I see another issue with this is where it says
I
the
don't.
offers in the middle, you need to scroll.
Yeah. I
It's
actually for me like it's another UI issue. I have to actually like zoom out so I can see because
yeah, I see
I'm on
that.
Firefox, so yeah, that's probably why. Your brother may have written this for Chronovium.
No,
Sorry,
no, no.
Chromium
It
browsers.
behaves the same way in Chronovium.
Yeah. I'm thinking
Uh,
Marvel Rivals.
yeah, there needs to be a different way to kind of show. Like the box itself needs to scale with the cards, maybe.
Yeah. Also, another thing, I just clicked on a card to put it into your card offer,
Hmm.
but I can't click to take it out. Can you take cards?
I can
There's a
take
little
out
trash
cards
bin.
for
Yeah,
myself. I cannot take cards out
interesting.
for you.
That's weird. So that seems like another thing, right? Both parties should be able to. This is
And
weird,
if
but
that
like
is
both
the
should be able.
case, there needs to be a log that says this player added the card or this player removed. Because what if in the middle of the trade you try to be sneaky, remove a
I mean,
card,
I would
and
imagine the whole confirm trade button will lock in and like, I mean, let's try this, right? So we
wait,
have these cards,
before
right?
you move on,
Yeah,
I
what's up?
did find the wish list. So if you click on my name, there is the wish
Yeah,
list, and it should show you the
yeah.
cards that I want, and we can add from there. But it
Currently, yours
doesn't.
is empty, but is my wish list empty? Because I have a Luke
Yes,
Skywalker.
you have a Luke Skywalker and a Fallen Lightsaber that you're looking for. I
Mm,
wish it did
very cool.
give the names, and
Yeah.
I guess I can see your collection. So this is the when you load it into the trade, I think by default it should go into the trader's page that you're looking at because you want to browse his
Mm,
stuff. I think it's more
yeah.
intuitive because
Yeah.
it makes a
That's
lot
fair.
more sense for me to start browsing whatever the hell that you have.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, let's say we're happy or unhappy with the trade.
Yay. I like money. So I'm seeing make counter offer. Not sure what that button does. I'm gonna try it.
I also don't know
Make
what that
counter
button
offer.
does.
I've updated my offer. Please review the new trade proposal. Okay, I guess it looks like it's
Ah,
pretty much
it's
the
like a
same.
refresh
Fine.
thing. Ah, it's
Yeah.
like, I'll add your cards, blah, blah, blah. Here is the message. Check out what's new.
Okay. So I'm gonna now press confirm trade. I see value imbalance warning. This trade has a significant value imbalance. Please review carefully before continuing. And yeah, makes sense. Has a this may adding more cards to balance the value, requesting other conditions. Yeah. You acknowledge that you understand the value imbalance and agree to proceed. Okay, I love it. This is a great little screen. I'm gonna understand. I'm not an idiot. Confirm anyway. I understand. You've confirmed. Waiting for the
Oh,
other
okay.
party.
Now I see there is a status check on you that says I would like to have a pop-up because if I don't notice it, I want the site to
Yeah,
notify me and be like, hey, this guy is
that's
ready.
fine.
I will confirm trade.
That's
I have
fine.
the same warning. Everything is imbalanced.
Yeah.
I click confirm. You are confirmed. Waiting for the other party.
Now it says lock trade.
Lock
Very good.
trade.
Excellent. Lock trade. An unexpected
Distress.
error occurred.
Ah, for me it went through. It says this trade has been locked and is ready.
And it then says complete trade. Okay, so I think there was an error
Trade
there or something.
completed. Ah,
Trade
there you go.
completed. Now, if I go to my collection,
Oh, you have locked two locked cards in your collection.
I do.
Yeah, on the top you see it says total cards listed locked estimated value at the top.
Yeah, I see that. Okay. Does that mean they're being
Ah,
used in a trade or?
no, because mine says 0. I just realized. So under your account on the top right, when you click your T button, you should have a
Yeah,
My Trades.
yeah, which is also this button. Okay. Completed. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I see our trade. It went through. Completed. Maybe.
Mm, Mine is not updated. Oh, I need to go to the completed tab. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I click on it, what happens? So
It just
now
shows
the
you.
idea
Mhm.
is when you meet in person, you check out this and you do what's agreed upon. Alternatively, down the line, there might be
Okay.
like an
Yeah.
delivery system going on.
Sure, and or a payment system to transfer money. I think that might be a bit crazy, but
That
yeah.
might be.
Yeah.
Now, how do we simulate buying a card and not trading a card?
Okay. So let's say, hypothetically, in my collection, I have, yeah. So Oscar, I have a, I don't fucking know. I have fallen lightsaber.
I want the
I
fallen
have,
lightsaber.
all right.
So I'm
thing.
gonna look for a fallen lightsaber in the search bar. I
Let's
found
say I
some.
want to make a cash offer. Okay, let's say I want to sell mine for 31 bucks.
Oof. It's
Buy
going out of
my.
rotation, Sonny.
I know, but just pretend for a second. All right,
Okay.
so I'm putting a post
I see
for
it.
yeah, offer one pending? What the fuck? Wait, what?
What?
Okay.
Something is pending.
Yeah, I was huh?
Is this 32 bucks the one from you? You are the demo
No, you're
collector?
you're a demo collector. Wait, am I demo collector? I'm confused.
I don't think. Try make a new one for 40.
Okay, hang on. Let me pick a card which doesn't have a listing. One sec. My card,
Capital
my
City.
collection. Capital City. Oh my God. Where's Capital City?
Oh, let the
I don't
Wookiee
have
win!
any my
Let the Wookiee win!
Let the Wookiee win. Okay. So I have. How do I know how many of a card I have? Is that something somewhere?
That should be available information at your disposal.
Right. Okay. So I'm going
Hey,
to
Zoom
press.
AI, make a note of this. We need to know how many cards we have in our collection. Thank you.
Oh, I see. Make offer for sale. Oh, okay. When I
Make
press
offer,
make
make
offer.
offer is you buying it.
Ah, I see.
That's
But I want to
that's
sell
the
it though.
issue. Yes, you want to sell it, so you
Right.
just add it to what the hell do you add it to? How do you indicate I would like to sell this card? I think once it's in your collection, you
Yeah.
can then there should be um
Propose?
I
No,
saw
that's
it
the wrong
last
video.
time.
No. You cannot trade of yourself. Thanks. Yeah, obviously.
Ah, yes. So mouse over. The cards that you don't have listed for sale should have a little tab that says sale. So let
Ah,
the uh-huh. So what doesn't
but
have it is already out there to be sold.
okay. By the way, I see the quantity. Again, it's a UI issue.
Ah,
I
where is
see
the
I have
quantity?
one copy. If you look
Oh,
carefully,
it's freaking black.
yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. If I change shit, if I turn on day mode, I can't even see it anymore. What the hell? Good to know.
Oh
All
my
right.
god.
What? Hang on. I have one, and I wish to sell. Okay. What? Uh, I just want to check something. Is this my trader one? What's my account name?
It would be nice for me to know that too. For my account name, I am the looking.
Link profile. On the link. Ah, I am Star Wars trader. Oh, these are all my for sales. That's why I can't post a sale because I'm already posting a sale.
I am a card
Mm.
master, and I had the bronze
Okay.
rank.
Yeah. All right. So now I'm looking at so I just realized Let the Wookiee one is my card and this is my sale offer. So how do I remove this sale offer? I don't want to sell anymore. Fuck this shit. Get it out of here.
Hmm.
Right? How do I
I
do that?
guess remove it from your collection, or yeah, you can't reverse it. Not that.
I don't see an easy way to do that. It looks like I have to trade it for. Okay, fine. So let me trade a card I have, which does not currently have, or sell or put an offer. So as you said, like guerrilla insurgency. Oh god, this card is terrible. Let's press sale.
Uh-huh.
Okay, create a listing. Okay, reference price. Good, that's nice. Um, by the way, little extra thing. It would be nice when I see this reference price if I can then like have a hyperlink here that I can click that will
Ooh,
take me
to
to
verify it.
TCG Market to verify. Yeah, like is 0.55 just like a very dumb small amount that someone offered for a low price, or is it actually close to the average price? Right.
Right,
That would be
right,
kind of
right.
cool.
Because there is like
Um,
those two.
okay. And I'm like, gah, 55 cents. I want more. I'm a greedy boy. I will press $2 or maybe 2.25. And the up quantity, I will offer one. I'll press create listing. Okay. So Guerrilla Insurgency has now been posted.
I will refresh
Go
to
ahead.
see the available cards.
Oh, refresh. Yes. All right. Available cards. Yeah.
Guerrilla Insurgency is not part of the available cards yet. Did you post it?
I did. Yeah, it's right. It's there. You might have to scroll down a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Or how to use the search feature. Right?
Oh! Market activity! I can see it in the market activity. Go to the homepage.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
okay. Very cool.
Somebody
Although I will
posted.
say only 6 entries. This could go pretty fast if the site gets popular, you know?
Yeah, it's kind of supposed to be like, hey, something's happening in the website. Okay, I will
Right.
now make an
Very
offer.
small scale. Yeah.
You don't
Okay.
have Guerrilla Insurgency in your collection. Would you like to add it before making an offer? Again, okay, so this make an offer button is confusing the living shit out of me. Skip.
Because
Oh,
you don't have it. You want to buy it from me, right?
yeah, that message is redundant. So if I click skip, it then takes me to the new pop-up that says make an offer. So that's cool. Offer
Give it to me,
is
baby.
how much did you want for this? $2?
2.25.
2.25.
I just want
Why?
the number.
Well, why
Just
did
make the
why?
number.
Your price is unjustified. Submit offer.
Gasp.
Offer
I'm on
submitted
the main page. I'm just
successfully.
like
You should have a
la
notification.
la la. I'm on the page. I don't see. Let me see. Is there a thing? Nope. Trace has been locked. No message from the main screen. I have no idea you sent me a message, except the fact that you told me on Zoom. So
Yeah.
how do I go? Wait a minute. Someone's talking to me. Do I have to click on this? And then I can go here.
Mm-hmm.
Loading offers. Okay. I see something. Maybe. Maybe.
It's taking a while there. I think
Yeah.
the most intuitive thing would be to see it as your notification. I actually, if he needs to work on this, I think a pop-up should come up on your
Yeah.
screen.
Pop-up would be good, but also maybe a notification. Yeah, as you said, like a bell,
Try
one of
refresh your
these.
page.
Ah,
There you go.
hang on. You received. Okay. Oh, I take it back. Yeah, I'll refresh it. You're right.
Yeah, the thing is he's
Notifications.
running the server through his machine in the office. So
Fair
for
enough.
prototyping,
Your price is unjustified. Okay. So I see a check mark and an X. Um,
you don't reject me.
oh, okay. Unjustified, but you're still offering the same price. I'ma take it. Invalid action must be accept, reject, or withdraw. Nani?
Ah, do it again.
Let me just refresh one more time. Sometimes it's just a, I don't know,
A buggy bug.
buggy bug. Yeah. Oh, oh,
Oh,
okay.
loading offers. Okay.
Invalid action must be accept, reject. Okay, I'll withdraw. Fuck you. Okay. So, on my end, these two buttons do nothing. Or
Okay.
it looks like it's not correctly doing whatever needs to be done.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the buying function isn't working. The trading is working, but needs a lot of UI
Yeah.
updating.
I'm sure it's possible the code for that may have not been implemented or it's not checking correctly. It's a part
And
of
the
coding.
other
That's fine.
main thing, under your collection, you should be able to remove things.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
okay.
So the bond
Quick
structure is
actions.
there. What is matches on the top? Find traders who have what you want. Okay. My
Couldn't find any
listings.
matches right now. Try adding more cards to your collection and wish list. Or check back later. This might be like a nice like
There is a way to remove stuff from your collection. So when you click on my listings, there is a bunch of
mhm.
cards that show up. And I've already given him the feedback where I want a delete button next to the card and not the triple dotting all the way to the right and then click
Yeah.
delete.
Yeah. At the same time, you don't want to like make it too easy to delete because people are pushing random buttons and
But
so I'm
that
okay with
triple
this
dot
being
is like all the way on the right, while the bulk of the card is on the left. So it's like
on the left.
hard left and
Sure.
hard right.
I'm gonna
Um,
delete this thing.
okay, I think I got the first wave of feedback to give him.
Okay,
I don't think there's
cool.
much else to try here yet.
Yeah, this is cool. It's definitely it needs a bit of work. It's not the most intuitive thing in the world, but it takes some time to get there. All right. Anything else, man?
That's it. How do I summarize the AI thingy for this?
So what I'll do is I'll stop the meeting, and then I think after a bit of time it'll transcribe it, and then I can send you the transcription to you, and you can send to your bro.
That would be fantastic.
Okay.
Okay,
Well,
thank
man,
you.
I will. Yeah, I might be free later in the evening, but ciao, ciao. All right.
Same as. See you. Thank you.
Bye.